Camaro Fest Day 2. Let's make it happen. All right, we got everything unpacked, ready to go at the tent, and it's time to take the Camaro down the track for the first run of the day. All right, so second run of the day, and I did get called out on YouTube by...
Hey!
State your name, sir.
Frank Canora.
And what's your YouTube channel?
Yeah, my channel's Frank Canora. Frank space Canora.
Okay, so Frank, we're gonna go run down and see what we can do. He's been running about 1/10 of a second faster than my best time, so yeah, I guess we're gonna see what happens.
Same thing. So, about 11.7, maybe an 11.6, depends what we're doing.
So he's a nitrous car. Got a little bit of an advantage, I think, but we're gonna try it and see what happens.
That's right.
Oh man, now that was a drag race. I don't even know who won, honestly. It was so incredibly close. And this guy always runs faster than me. He's an automatic, he's a nitrous car. It's a 5th gen, so it's probably got a little bit more weight on me, but that was the most fun I've had yet today on the track. So Frank, what do you think of that run?
I think it was close. I wasn't sure who won. At the end, I cut a little bit of a slow light there, but it turned out to be pretty darn close, I think.
Oh yeah, you know? Like I said before, I didn't know who won until I got my slip, basically. Yeah. Honestly, I was a little disappointed I was still in the 12s. It was like a 12 flat.
Right.
But I mean, it's really hot. They were burning us down in the line. We had our cars running. It's like 110 degrees IATs when I pull up to the line. So.
Yeah, the IATs were really high.
So I mean, I guess I could go with the excuse reel, but I'm just gonna take that run as a fun time, and we're gonna go running again.
Yeah,
so
we'll do it again.
Yeah, awesome race.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, you betcha. So if you guys want to check out Frank's channel, this is it right here. Hit that subscribe button for him. He's got an awesome 5th gen Camaro. Definitely lots of good content for all you out there. All right, so next up, we're gonna do another run against my buddy from Canada, Michael Orr. He's got a Weld Supercharged SS 1LE. It's gonna be a good race. Look at that. So we got the battle between the roots blower and the centrifugal in the heat.
In the heat. And I don't like the heat.
No. This one seems to do a little better in the heat, but also I'm still learning how to drive it, so it's always fun.
It'll be a good run.
Absolutely. Lift blocks are now installed on the SS. Big thanks to Adrian for installing them. Are you nice and warm now?
I'm very sweaty.
He's the only one that fits under there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm the only one that fits under there.
Good job.
Whipple versus Maggie.
All right, let's see it. 1/10 difference between a Whipple and a Magnuson.
Oh, hammer down. I may or may not have found your rig. And I just wanted to say thanks for making it out this year to Camaro Fest. It's always a pleasure hanging out with you, sir. You have a great channel. And I was trying to think of something to sabotage, but I'm just going to leave this little note in here for you. Just keep it going. Love what you're doing. And it's always awesome to see you guys. See you on the road.
So the last run was a good one. It was the best run we've ever done. So we broke the best runs we've ever done twice here in Bowling Green, Kentucky, even in this heat. It's been amazing. So I ran an 11.7 in the car already. So best time ever, really good 60 foot. I'm starting to learn how to do that burnout. Now if I could ride that clutch out a little bit more, I think we might have a mid 11 for this car. Can't wait to try that out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Keep that hammer down.